Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Olga. Please make sure that you subscribe. So guys, I'm gonna be starting a new series starting today, and in this series I want to make sure that you guys get paid and that you guys are okay financially. Okay guys, comment down below on what you feel about the new series and whether it will be helpful for you. To begin the series is a typing position. So guys, if you are someone who really loves typing, writing, and also one who loves technology stuff, this position is really for you. And so this position focuses on creating content as well as managing the social media channels of this particular company. It comes with really great benefits, including medical, dental, vision. There's 401k, and there's also a life insurance coverage. There's also a disability coverage, as well as a competitive paid time off and a volunteer time off, as well as holidays and a flexible work schedule. Position is by Synaptic Advisors, and they are looking for a marketing coordinator and content writer, and it's remote. And so guys, there's no limitation as to where you can work from. You can work whether you're on vacation somewhere in Italy, or whether you're in Barbados or anywhere in the world. Try to check it out and try. Wishing you all the best. Link to this particular position is in my description box below. So be sure to subscribe for more opportunities like this.